Are you looking for advice on how to raise a morally upstanding young man? In this video, I'm going to share my best tips and strategies to ensure you can raise a good man with integrity. Welcome to snapreads, and as a father with 2 sons of my own, I know how important it is to raise them upright. Raising kids in today's world can be challenging, especially when it comes to morality. That's why I'm here to share my knowledge and experience about developing honesty, respect, and self-discipline in boys so they turn into men of integrity. The importance of instilling core values in your son. Instilling core values in our sons is crucial for their personal and social development. These values serve as their moral compass, guiding them in making decisions that align with their principles. Core values provide a foundation for ethical behavior and help shape their character. By instilling these values early on, we can empower our sons to become responsible and compassionate individuals who contribute positively to society. Understanding the journey from boyhood to manhood. The transition from boyhood to manhood is a significant phase in a young man's life. It is a period of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. As parents, we must understand the unique challenges and experiences our sons may face during this journey. By acknowledging their changing needs and providing the necessary support, we can help them navigate this transition with confidence and grace. Identifying and defining core values. Before we can instill core values in our sons, we must first identify and define what these values mean to us. Reflecting on our own values and beliefs is essential in order to effectively communicate and teach them to our children. Core values such as honesty, respect, kindness, integrity, and accountability are a few examples that form the bedrock of a gentleman's character. Leading by example. Modeling core values. Children learn by observing and imitating their parents. By consistently demonstrating the core values we want to instill in our sons, we create a powerful influence on their behavior and mindset. This means embodying kindness, empathy, and respect in our interactions with others. When our sons see us living out these values, they are more likely to internalize and adopt them as their own. Communication and open dialogue. Open communication is key to fostering a strong bond with our sons and nurturing their emotional development. Creating a safe and non-judgmental space for them to express their thoughts, feelings, and concerns is crucial. By actively listening to their perspectives and engaging in meaningful conversations, we can help them develop effective communication skills and encourage them to share their experiences and challenges. Teaching responsibility and accountability. Instilling a sense of responsibility and accountability in our sons is vital for their personal growth. By assigning age-appropriate tasks and expecting them to follow through, we teach them the importance of taking ownership of their actions. Encouraging them to set goals, manage their time, and make responsible choices empowers them to become independent and self-reliant individuals. Encouraging self-confidence and resilience. Building self-confidence is essential in nurturing our sons' journey towards manhood. Encouraging them to embrace their strengths, explore their passions, and take on challenges helps them develop a positive self-image. Teaching them resilience and the ability to bounce back from setbacks instills a sense of perseverance and determination, enabling them to overcome obstacles and thrive in the face of adversity. Nurturing empathy and respect for others. Empathy and respect are fundamental values that contribute to healthy relationships and social harmony. By teaching our sons to recognize and understand the feelings of others, we cultivate empathy within them. Encouraging acts of kindness, teaching them to appreciate diversity, and promoting inclusivity help foster a sense of respect for others' perspectives, cultures, and experiences. Balancing independence and interdependence. As our sons grow older, they naturally seek greater independence. However, it is important to strike a balance between independence and interdependence. Teaching them to value collaboration, teamwork, and cooperation ensures they understand the importance of working together towards common goals. Emphasizing the significance of community and encouraging them to contribute positively to their surroundings cultivates a sense of interconnectedness. Celebrating milestones and growth. Throughout our sons' journey to manhood, it is important to celebrate their milestones and growth. Recognizing and acknowledging their achievements, both big and small, boosts their self-esteem and reinforces their commitment to their core values. By expressing pride in their progress, we instill a sense of accomplishment and encourage them to continue striving for personal growth. As parents, we have the incredible opportunity to shape the character and values of our sons. By instilling core values such as responsibility, respect, empathy, and integrity, we can guide them on their transformative journey from boy to gentleman. Let us embrace this role with dedication and love, and witness as our sons grow into confident, compassionate, and respectful men who make a positive impact on the world.